Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone screen stay on. To keep your iPhone screen from turning off automatically, you need to adjust the auto lock settings. Here's how you can make your iPhone screen stay on. Now, on your home screen, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. In the Display and Brightness menu, tap on Auto Lock. Here, you will see several options ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes or never. Choose never to prevent your iPhone from automatically turning off. This will keep your screen on indefinitely until you manually lock it by pressing the side button. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your iPhone settings to keep the screen on for as long as you need. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.